Straight from the front line of Wikipedia, rhetoric is the art of discourse, an art that aims to improve the facility of speakers or writers who attempt to inform, persuade, or motivate particular audiences in specific situations. Rhetorical pedagogy is a firmly structured set of rules that one must follow. There isn't one simple, unmovable set. The structure changes with time, language, and discipline. But when the rules are established, there is a right way and a wrong way. I learned rhetorical pedagogy my entire life, and I am not currently addicted to any harmful substances. In other words, it's not all that bad and has its own strengths and weaknesses. I will even give you a simple example of the pedagogy that is implanted in my brain. I call it the 5-paragraph system. Paragraph 1 must have a catchy introduction, first few words, mention the supporting paragraphs, and end with a perfect thesis statement. Paragraph 2 must support thesis statement, the second best, and have 3 details or examples of support. Paragraph 3 is usually the weakest support and must have 3 details or examples of support. Paragraph 4 is the strongest support and must have 3 details or examples of support. Paragraph 5 restates the thesis and why the rest of the paragraphs support the thesis and conclude the paper. Ta-da, the end. This is the way I was taught, and I can honestly say the structure is very solid and sound. There is symmetry in the support and could be easily filled out and taught to students in a paper worksheet. I never really learned anything this way, but I did learn how to make my arguments in a structured manner. In every report I ever learned, I do not remember what I actually learned, but many things did stick with me. The pros were that I learned to organize my thoughts in a structured manner and put them down on paper. The cons are that I am not sure how well the information is retained, and the paper is usually left as uninspiring to read. In journalism, like newspaper, the who, what, where, when, why, and how are a very important structure to stick with. When skimming over an article and you only want the facts with as little as interpretation as possible, relying on this rhetoric is very important as it gets the message across as efficiently as possible, with little room for error and misunderstanding.